In this problem, we're asked to connect a 4 ohm load to the output port of a 2-port network described by the hybrid parameters shown below. Determine the input impedance of the 2-port with the load connected. So the input impedance would be over here, and that would be the ratio of V1 to I1. So let's start off. If we look at our output port, the terminal conditions for it is V2 is equal to minus 4 I2. So now what we're going to do is we're now going to come in and substitute this into this equation and just start working on our equations. So we have I2 is minus 2/3 I1 plus 1/9 V2. So then I2 is minus 2/3 I1 plus 1/9 times minus 4 I2. So we have I2 minus 2/3 I1 minus 4/9 I2. So now we have 13/9 I2 is equal to minus 2/3 I1. And if we manipulate this, we get I2 is equal to minus 6/13 I1. And now let's go ahead and calculate V2, because if we look, if we can get V2 in terms of I1, then we can get our input impedance. We basically have to get V2 in terms of I1. So here we have V2 is minus 4 times I2. So we have minus 4 times minus 6/13 times I2. And that's 24/13. So that should be I1. So we have 24/13 times I1. So now we're ready to substitute in to this expression. So now we have V1 is 14 I1 plus 2/3 I2. So we have 14 I1 plus 2/3, and this should be V2. So now we have 2/3 times 24/13 times I1, and this is 14 plus 16/13 times I1, and that's 15.23 I1. So our input impedance is V1 over I1, which is 15.23 ohms.